All right, folks, for our weapon of the week this week, we got a good one. We have another entry into the world of unmanned surface vessels, and here to talk to me a little bit more about that is Jason Lamb with BlackSea Tech. Jason, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
So we have the BlackSea, the GARC here. I'm going to butcher it. GARC, what does it stand for?
Well, first off, GARC is like Kleenex. Like everyone refers to the small USVs as GARC, but it stands for the Global Autonomous Reconnaissance Craft.
Okay, so talk to me about this particular one. Obviously, we're talking about autonomous vehicles. How do you control this? Who controls it? When would it be used? That sort of thing.
Absolutely. So the GARC is a 16-foot unmanned surface vessel. Its beam is about 8 feet. It carries a 1,000-pound payload with a 200 horsepower diesel engine that can give it a range exceeding 600 nautical miles at a speed of cruise speeds 18 knots, upwards of 40 knot max speed. And then you see here on the front of the GARC is the square panel that is a Starlink or Starshield panel, so it can be controlled over the horizon, and then it can be shifted into autonomous mode as well for either simple behaviors or even collaborative mission autonomy as well.
Absolutely. 1,000-pound payload capacity. Looking on the deck here, we could probably put some containerized launchers. I mean, you can move equipment around in the littoral regions in the Indo-Pacific. Is that kind of what this is envisioned for?
Yeah, definitely BlackSea Technology as a business is focused on creating relevant capabilities for Indo-PACOM. That whole panel in the center section can be removed, and it's an open bay with a common interface control document to allow people to rapidly integrate payloads for various missions. We've had dipping sonars on board, loading munitions, gyro-stabilized weapon systems, all kinds of capability, and we can do it very quickly because of our modular open systems architecture approach to the platform.
Absolutely. We're at Soft Week right now. What can you tell me about BlackSea's customer base and kind of what's next for BlackSea?
Yeah, so BlackSea's customer base is weighted heavily towards the Navy, but also special operations as well. I was previously a Navy SEAL and love to come back here to Soft Week to work with our partners. We have contested logistics capability. We built a towed airborne lift of naval systems called Talons. We did that for the Navy's larger unmanned platforms. Takes 100 pounds of payload to 1,000 foot of altitude. We built a small one for the GARC to take 50 pounds of payload to 500 feet of altitude. We're also looking to enter the unmanned underwater vehicle space, and I can introduce you to some of our team and our mission solutions part of our business, which is technology-enabled services, where we have a fleet of motherships specifically designed to operate uncrewed systems, and they operate both autonomous undersea vehicles, aerial vehicles, our surface vessel, in either a contractor-owned, contractor-operated model, or also government-owned, government-operated. So one of the things that we're very proud of is supporting the Navy's newest squadrons, USV Squadron 3 and 7, with our GARC out in San Diego.
That's awesome. Well, really appreciate your time today, Jason.
Yeah,
thank you so much for telling us about the GARC.
Appreciate it.